In today's video, I'm going to be doing a review of the original voice amplifier by WinBridge. So I'm going to be reviewing in particular the S398 model of the WinBridge amplifier. And this one is pretty cool because it does some things that some other voice amplifiers don't do. Voice amplifiers have been really popular lately in the teaching community since COVID hit, because we have to wear our masks in the classroom, and when you're wearing your mask, your voice is stifled. So to avoid you straining your voice, a lot of teachers have turned to voice amplifiers. Now this one in particular I think is great because it does have a recording feature, which a lot of them don't have, so I thought that was pretty cool. And yeah, there's lots of really cool features about this particular S398 model. So I'm going to go ahead and unbox it for you and show you what's inside. Okay, so it comes with, of course, the headset or the earpiece with the microphone. Sorry, this is not really an unboxing because I did use it, so I just wanted to review it for you to let you know how it worked and all the features and things like that. So this is not an unboxing, I'm just showing you a review of it. So you have the headset and it goes like this with the microphone. Nifty, huh? And here is the actual amplifier. So it looks like this. So it has that big speaker there. So here are the buttons there. So we have mode switch, previous song, pause and play, next song, and R is for recording. So that's cool. And it has the volume control over there. On the side we have the mic port. I call them ports. I don't know if that's the official term, but anyway, mic port, aux cable port, DCIN, and the USB on the side there. And yeah, that's it. Nifty. And then it has these little parts here for carrying it. So it does come with a strap. Strap can be worn 3 ways. To be honest, I don't use the strap really. Well, if I'm amplifying my voice, you can wear it, but I mostly use this for as a speaker. That's mostly what I use it for. So, but they do have it, so I'll just attach it on here. And like I said, there are different ways in which you can wear it. Okay, so there it is. Okay, neat. You can have it like a little handbag if you wanted to as well. I know that's not one of the little diagrams on the box, but that's okay. Wear it how you want to wear it. So there's that. And so it comes with this. I call this a box. But it's the charger, and it comes with this as well. Charging cable, and it comes with an aux cable. I think that's what this is called, with the 2 ports like this. These are always so handy to have. I love having these things. Anyways, it has that, and of course the instruction manual. First, let me show you the function of the amplifier, right? So of course, when you have your amplifier, I'm gonna turn it on, and when you have your amplifier, it's best not to keep the speakers and the microphone close together. With any speaker and microphone system you get, you're gonna get feedback, right? That sound, right? So keep it away, but it's actually pretty cool. So we have this, and I put it into the mic slot there, and then it says mic, testing, testing. Hello? There it is, you hear me? So this is so much, whoa, why did it beep? Bluetooth. Okay, one of the great features of this amplifier is I can play music and speak at the same time, which is pretty cool. So I always like to do, like, if I'm doing outdoor PD with my kids, play some music and just kind of instruct them as we go along, like hands in the air, woo! All right. This is so much fun. And also if you're in the classroom reading a story or you're doing a presentation, this looks very official in PD sessions, you know. But yeah, again, you're not straining your voice, and especially when you're wearing a mask, that's very easy to do. So we do have that. So again, I can wear it like this. This works if you're comfortable doing that. But your arm may get in the way of the microphone, so, or of the speakers rather. So they suggest maybe wearing it around your neck or wearing it on the side, whatever feels comfortable for you. So yeah, there's that. And then I want to demonstrate for you what I mostly use this voice amplifier for, and that is for speakers. What I do is I play lots of music for my students, and I play it from my phone. So I'll have my phone and I'll connect it to Bluetooth. Connects very, very quickly to Bluetooth. So I'm gonna turn it on here, and I'll do a real time demonstration of it, so you see how fast it connects to Bluetooth. So I just press the M. So I have my Bluetooth is on, and it's already connected. I didn't have to press connected. When you heard that that beep sound, it was showing you that it was connected. So now I'm gonna find a song that is royalty-free music, so you can hear it. I'm in the holiday spirit, so let's find some holiday music here, Christmas music. Angels We Have Heard on High. Very simple, very easy. Testing, 1, 2, 3. So that's pretty cool that you can play music from my phone, and I can also amplify my voice at the same time. I like that. One of the great things I love about this as well is any kind of music, YouTube videos, basically anything, any sound that comes out of here can be played on here. And of course you can connect it to your tablet, you can connect it to your laptop. Oh, and you don't have to connect it to Bluetooth. Of course we have the aux cable that you can connect it directly to your devices to play music. Can't do it with my phone because I have the old iPhone and I don't have that little adapter thing. So I can't, oh, I can show you through my laptop though. Let's do that. So here's my laptop, and I have one end goes there. I'm gonna project one of my YouTube videos because I know that's not, I'm not gonna have any copyright infringement with that. One of my videos, and I'm gonna connect it to the aux port here. So everything's connected. Speakers out, I click OK. And now it'll play through. I found it quite challenging to find a basic square or rectangle lunch bag. Okay, so that's my they had some that were fancy, my video. The ones you put in the freezer, and ones that like so that's pretty cool. Plastic lining. I'm like, I just want a basic bag, like nothing fancy. So basic bag, nothing fancy. Anyways, so that's cool. So that is it. I'm going to go ahead and list the specifications of this amplifier down below, and also how you can get your own.